how to loose lace in Air Jordan 11. Now I'm gonna be completely transparent with y'all. This is actually new for me because I usually tie my 11s, but I told y'all in the previous video when I did the lace swap for these red airs that I was going to figure out how to loose lace them. So I'm gonna walk y'all through it. My victim today is gonna be this cool gray 11, just because I want to show y'all that I already have a loose lace in here. Now, if you take a look at these two examples, this lace is the lace that came with the red air. This is a cream lace right here, well, sail color lace or whatever, and I believe this is like, it has to be like 63 inches. So this is either going to be 63, I want to say this is like a 63-inch lace. That's why you see we have such overhang right there. But if you take a look at here, this is only a 54-inch lace, and I kind of ran out of lace. You see we got the gold tips there, but take a look at that. So I'm going to show y'all how I actually lace this to where it's loose. And I did the same thing on this one. Just take a look at that. Let me know what you think. Let me know if, I love the loose lace, but I've never loose lace at 11. Anyway, come with me. Come on. That's enough talking. Let me show you. Let me come. All right, boom. So number one, I seen this little strategy online, and I actually like the way this cat laced up his 11s. I'm just gonna modify it just a little bit, so I totally want to give him credit. But our victim today is gonna be this cool gray 11, only because these already have laces in them. So I'm gonna show you how to get this into this. Wait, yeah, whatever. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and go with this black lace. Now keep in mind, this black lace technically isn't the proper lace for this shoe, but it's all right. I'm gonna take my time. I'm gonna go step by step. I'm gonna show y'all exactly what I'm doing. So y'all know how normally we put the laces in the bottom. We start from the bottom and work our way up and just kind of crisscross. That's the way we normally lace a shoe, right? This time we're gonna start from the top down, but let me show y'all. I'm not gonna force this. I'm not gonna go too fast on you, because you know, I say this a lot. You watch these videos and people just be zipping through it. You're like, hold on, what do you do? So I'm gonna start from here. So this is gonna be my starting point. So keep in mind, this right here, right, is my starting point. I'm not going from the top. Not yet, right? Not yet. All right, here we go. So peep this. I'm gonna go nice and slow. So I'm gonna feed it from the top going down. So I'm just gonna start with, and this is gonna be really simple. So grab your 11s, just follow along. For those of you who don't know, if you want to get even length laces, just grab your pause. Grab your tips like this, right? And then just pull and then just tighten, right? Just like that. So you see right here, we're even, right? Boom. Now, first step, nice and simple. You see it. That's all I did, right? Nice and simple. Now, I'm gonna take this lace right here and just feed it all the way down every eyelet until I get to the end. Nice and simple, nice and easy. I'll show you. I'm not gonna go too fast. Y'all know I'm not gonna treat you like that, cause that's not how I do, y'all. I'm not gonna time lapse it. And look at this. I'm just feeding it through every eyelet. Peep this. Feed it right on through. Right? I'm getting that nice and straight. That's another thing too. You want to have straight laces. So you see that side? I'm gonna do the same thing for this side. Then I'll zoom in on the camera for you so you can see exactly what I'm doing. Easy, easy. I'm just going straight down the line. Straight, straight, straight. You see how fast I'm knocking that out too. Straight on down. This video is gonna be probably about 7 minutes long, but it's okay, because look. So look, that's step 2. So step 1 was going right across the top there, right? Step 2, we're just going straight down. Now, we're gonna lace this like normal, which is, you know, take this and feed that through there, take this and feed that through there. So we're just gonna lace it like normal. Let me show you. And now, also, let me tell you this. I'm going to double up. So I'm going to put this. I'm going to put this back through here. So like literally, let me show you for video purposes. But look at that. I'm just doubling up. right? Right, you see how I doubled it up? So I'm going back through the same loop. All right, so let's do that over here. And this is the part where I've discovered you want to keep the lace. You want to keep it straight. You definitely want to be as straight as possible. As straight as possible. All right, look. So there it is. You see that? You see how that looks? Decided that's crazy. It almost looks like a Jordan 10 just from the way that the laces look right there. But anyway, now I'm just going to go ahead and just lace it right on up, just like usual. And also keep in mind, I'm going from the bottom up. You'll see it. I'm not rushing through it. I'm going from the bottom up. Matter of fact, Trey Songz said it best. Bottoms up, yeah. Okay, that was pretty bad. But yeah, let's get busy. Let's go ahead and get this going. I'm just gonna go ahead and work this all the way up to a certain point, and I'll show you all where. Remember, I'm going from the bottom and just feeding it up, doubling up, literally doubling up. I'll go ahead and stop right here to show you all where I'm at. This. Now keep in mind, y'all, I'm brand new to this, man. I'm just now learning this style, so I kind of modified it a little bit. So this is where we're at right here. So keep in mind, this is all a double up. I'm going right through the same eyelets, going right on through it. And so far, it's actually looking pretty good, nice and symmetrical, right? Now that I'm here, keep in mind, I'm two away from the top, right? I'm gonna do the same as that thing. I'm going to throw with this one over to here, but this time I'm gonna go, instead of Trey Songz bottom, instead of going bottom up, I'm gonna go top down. So so that it loose hangs, like how you see my hand there. All right, y'all got it. Y'all ain't that slow. Y'all ain't that. I know you're not. I just want to make sure y'all are all right. You know what I'm saying? I gotta look out for my peoples. Yeah. So top down, top right here, and top down. See what I'm doing there? You see it? Top down. And this is where we're at. Right here. So boom, we got the loose lace right here, right? Loose lace right here, and this is the final result. Boom, like that. That's top down. Now, keep in mind, I did not go over the very top loop there. I did not go over the top loop. So if you want to take it to the top, if you want to take it to the limit, right? I'm just gonna modify this a little bit. So instead of going top down, I'm gonna do the bottoms up, yeah. I'm gonna do that, and then I'm just gonna take it right over the top and just kind of let it flap over. So I'm gonna leave one side the same, and I'm gonna change the other just to see how it looks. I will let y'all be the judge to let me know how it looks. So now I'm going bottom up. Now keep in mind, I'm only gonna do this to one side, so you can literally see the difference. And actually, once again, kind of what I said in the beginning of the video, this lace in particular isn't really the right size for it, so I wasn't even able to do it properly. So I'm gonna be honest with you, that looks funky. I don't even like the way that looks. Yeah, I don't like the way that looks. So I'm gonna change it back. I'm gonna change it back and go top to bottom. But this is where we at, man. Comment down below. Let me know if you like to loose lace your kicks. Let me know if you're gonna lace them up like regular. I'm gonna continue to try to find like lace options in order to loose lace, right? I'm gonna continue to look for lace options. But this right here, this is how I was able to pull this look off. Like and subscribe. I appreciate y'all. Thanks for tapping in. It's always love on this end. Enjoy another video. We out.